everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. Today I just did a quick and easy Errand makeup look for summertime, and if you're interested, just keep on watching. So I just washed my face and now I'm gonna put on my headband. I always wear this when I do my makeup. Well, now I recently just started. So this is the Fresh Black Tea Kombucha. Let me see if it's focusing. This is the Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. It's anti-pollution and age delaying. I just like it because it kind of like plumps up my skin, and it's also really good to prep for your makeup with this. I just dump it on my face and pat it in. Also, I'm going in with Tatcha's water cream. We all know what this is, so I don't really have to explain. But this is my favorite for daytime moisturizing. I'm just gonna go in with Shiseido's Future Solution LX Total Protective Emulsion. It has SPF 20. It's a sunscreen made to be layered on with other sunscreens. So I really like this as like a light protective layer of sunscreen, because the makeup that I do wear in the summertime, they do have SPF. Now I'm gonna use this blurring primer I got as a sample by Becca. It's the Skin Love Brighten and Blur Primer. This is what it looks like, the sample. I used this yesterday and I feel like my makeup lasted a longer period of time, and I also my makeup stayed really matte yesterday too. It smells really good. It smells like cucumber. It looks like this. It's like, I don't know, you can see. It reminds me of the Professional a little. I just use a little bit over here in my nose. And then I'm gonna go in with some concealer. I'm using NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Madeline. It's light 2.3, if you can see. Let me zoom you guys in. I should have. Okay. This is how I look like in the mornings when I just wake up. I am a hot mess. So basically I concealed my whole face. Yep. I'm just going to let that sit on my face a little. I don't know, I just like to let it sit for a little bit, maybe like for a minute. But in the meantime, I'm going to comb my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. I like to put gel on my eyebrows before I do my eyebrows. Is that weird? Because I just feel like it sets all the hairs in place, so then I just have to go in and fill in the sparse areas. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that and let that dry. So today I'm not really gonna go for like a dramatic look. I'm just gonna go get my eyelashes done because I really need a refill. It's been like 2 weeks. So I'm just gonna put on some light makeup. So for today, I'm going to mix the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Foundation with the Cosmetics CC Cream in light medium. This one has SPF 50 plus, so it's good for sunny days like today. And this is my favorite for like foundation. It really like blends everything well, and plus the bristles are so dense that you know you won't get those brush strokes on your face when you use your brush. Who's calling? Hello? Scammers. I'm just gonna blend out the rest of my face. I could literally just go out like this and have like powder on top, but I gotta be extra and put on some foundation because I don't know, it's just me. So what I do is I just use the brush with the foundation, and I'm just, you know, doing those strokes all on my face. I just try not to put like too much in one area. I like to just make it even. Now I'm going to set my face with this new powder that I got from Chanel. I'll be right back. So I literally got this yesterday. It's the Chanel Natural Finish Loose Powder in number 20. It's the it's the lightest shade that they have. Before I had the second shade, which I didn't like because it had a pink undertone, and this one is more of like a yellow undertone. So I'm going to use this one today and see how I like it. But before that, I'm going to use a sponge to just blend out all of the makeup, extra makeup on my face to make it more even, so that it doesn't cake up, especially because it's warm out. I don't want it to look like a cake face. I think it's better now, isn't it? For powder, I like to just do that and then go in with like a small brush to distribute it all over my face. It's a very, very fine powder, so I like to go under my eyes. I like to put a little more. I like to just pat it in. And now I'm just gonna let that sit for like 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna go in with like a big fluffy brush and just blend all the powder. I'm gonna use the MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation and NC25. I'm just gonna do a light layer all over my face, especially over here and on my cheeks. I'm gonna go in with the Sephora Pro Core Diffuser Angled Brush. Ooh, it's in 95. Very lightly. That's it. Really fast. I'm gonna go in with the big fluffy brush again just to blend it out. And now I'm gonna contour using this angled brush from e.l.f. I've been liking this for contouring. I don't know why, it just works for me. So I'm gonna go in with KKW's powder contour in number 3. I really like this, and I feel like it's like the perfect shade for me. It's not too orangey, not too gray. It's just right for me. So for contouring, I like to angle it this way and just lightly contour. And I want to just bring it up to my temples. I don't like to do it too much. Like this is enough for me already. This is like a lot already. And on to the next side. And on my jaw. And I like to just contour my chin as well. I like to just go in with my finger and just contour my nose real quick. I don't know why, but it works, and that's what I always did, so yep. I'm gonna go in with the same angled brush and just brush it out. Now I'm gonna go in with MAC's 150S brush. It's my favorite blush brush. It's like that big fluffy brush. I'm looking at a couple of MAC blushes right now. I have a Peachy Keen. Let me just show you guys. This has been one of my favorite like spring, summertime blush. It gives that light flush to your face, but also it kind of like, it's like a little sparkly. And we have Gingerly, which is my favorite blush from MAC. Also, I have Pinch Me by MAC. These all look so similar. Anyways, it's not gonna focus. I think I'm gonna choose Pinch Me today. I don't know why. I'm just gonna choose Pinch Me. But these have been my go-to blushes. I love MAC blushes. I just go in like this. You see all that product? And just tap it off. Smile, and I just if it's a little harsh, I like to just go in with the powder brush again to just blend it out. And now it's time for eyebrows because I just put on the gel earlier on. Now it's completely dry. And now it's the perfect time to just fill in the brows. I used Anastasia Beverly Hills brow wiz in medium brown. And also I just like to use this mirror that my sister got me a couple years ago. I just think it's so cute. So yep, I'm gonna use it to do my brows. Turned out pretty good. And now I'm just going to blend it out, especially in the front. I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter. So meanwhile my setting spray dries, I'm going to do my lips. And today, let me drink some water first. Your girl's thirsty. Today I'm going to be using the Rouge Duo. It's in number 69, Tender Beige. I have the product right here. This is how it looks like. I always go for like shades like this, like a orangey tone, because I feel like it suits my skin the best. So basically it comes with like a lip color, and then the other side is like a clear gloss, but it's not really a gloss. It kind of just seals the product in so that it doesn't go anywhere. And I wore this yesterday. I've eaten with this on. It just stayed on so well. So today I'm gonna go give it another try. And it also smells pretty good. It smells like cotton candy. At first when you put it on, it's like pretty dark. But what I like to do, I like to go in with my finger and just spread it out. So without the gloss or the clear top coat, it feels a little bit sticky. So you're gonna have to put the top coat on so that it stays. And don't let the glossy texture fool you. It actually dries and just seals everything in. Honestly, I'm not even mad about this glossy look, but it does dry matte. I'm gonna go in with highlight. I'm using MAC's Hyper Real Glow. This has just been my go-to. I don't think anything has changed from before, but I'm still using this, guys. I'm still using this. What I like to do is I like to just go in with MAC's 240S brush, and I like to just dip everything, just tip off the excess, and just highlight my face. Little underneath the brows, and my nose. This is the finished look. I'm going to do my hair now. So for my hair, I'm just gonna use my Numi hair straightener. I love this one. It lights up in the inside, which is so cool. So I'm just gonna let it heat up. I'm just gonna go in with Treseme's Heat Tamer Protectant. I like to just section off my hair. I'm just going to quickly straighten my hair. This is a finished product of my hair and my makeup. So yes, this is how I get ready in the mornings when I just need to do some errands and stuff, and I'll check in with you guys later. So this is the final look right now. I am sitting in front of my window hoping that the natural light will capture it. So here it is. Oh, beautiful out today. It's currently 75 degrees. So I have arrived at the lash place, and this is how it looks before. So when I'm done, I'm gonna update you guys on how it looks. So I'm back in the car and just wanted to show you guys how my lashes look. Looks like this. So now I'm back. I guess I'll just do like a mini haul of what I got today. I didn't really get much because I didn't really stay out that long. I just went to get my lashes done and then I was just around the area. So I went to Bath and Body Works. I just got like this candle. It's the single wick ones and it smells so good. This is champagne toast. And also I got limoncello. It smells so good. I love like citrusy scents. It's just so good for the summertime, and it also looks good on top of my drawer, whatever you call it. And then I also got this lotion. It's the clementine and mint leaves body lotion. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.